Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by verifying the game files on your launcher to repair corrupted files. Open Steam or Epic and use Verify Integrity. Next, update GPU drivers to the latest WHQL version from the vendor website. Use NVIDIA or AMD official downloads for the current driver. Temporarily disable overlays like Steam, Discord, or GeForce Experience to rule out conflicts. Also temporarily disable antivirus, or add the game folder to exclusions and test for stability. Run the game as administrator to ensure proper file access and permissions. Right-click the exe and choose Run as administrator every time. Lower render scale or resolution to reduce GPU load and instability if you see frame drops. Reduce settings like shadows and post-processing, and cap FPS to 60. Set Windows Power Plan to high performance and disable full screen optimizations in the Compatibility tab. These settings reduce throttling and improve stability for longer play sessions. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX to repair runtime dependency issues. Download the latest x64 and x86 redistributables and install both. If crashes persist, use the to clean reinstall GPU drivers in safe mode for a fresh driver state. Uninstall the driver fully, reboot, and install the latest stable driver. Increase virtual memory to at least 16 GB if you have 8 GB physical RAM to reduce out-of-memory crashes. Finally, consider a clean reinstall of the game and backup saves before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.